welcome to Guaranty. Thanks for watching this video. I would like to show you this Heritage Glen. It's a 25 RBHL, so let's look inside. One thing that you'll notice as soon as you walk in this unit is the herringbone floors. It's beautiful. As you come in, you see two reclining theater seats right across from the TV. You have a beautiful wraparound kitchen. The sink is right across from this dinette, which is a very deep dinette. The queen size bed has storage all around, and the bed actually lifts up for extra storage underneath. The bathroom has a huge barn door and lots of space inside. There's cabinets, and the bathroom has a skylight. So if you're a tall person, this shower is perfect for you. There is also a huge pantry or an extra coat closet or a mudroom right as soon as you come in this unit. On the outside, there is a camp kitchen and a refrigerator. There's speakers and a full awning along the side. There are LED lights in the front and an electric jack. There's also a huge oversized pass-through storage on this unit. Again, this is Mary. Please give me a call, 406-850-4590, and I will show you this unit.